When you see an airplane taking off or in the sky, what do you think about? Going somewhere for vacation? How about traveling for business? Every year worldwide, more than 4 billion passengers take flight on commercial aircraft. In fact, experts predict there will be more than 8 billion air travelers a year by 2037. What does it take to move all those passengers through airports around the world? A lot of people, millions in fact, all working together in a wide variety of different jobs. Pilots are one of the most visible and important jobs. There's a big need for more pilots and air traffic controllers too. They work in the air traffic control tower and also use radar and high-tech equipment to direct traffic in the sky.
What we do for the aviation industry is make sure that the flying public is safe.
So, who is responsible for operations on the ground? Airport operations. Operations duty officers are all about safety and security. They keep the airport running so flights can arrive and depart as planned.
We're operators, so we know how to do it all.
Operations duty officers are on the front line and get to see everything up close. They are especially busy during snowstorms. Even when the weather is good, the airfield maintenance crews have a lot of work to do. Mowing grass, changing out bulbs on the airfield lighting, and making sure everything is in good working order. Sometimes things don't go as planned on an airfield. That's when the aircraft rescue firefighting crews respond. These crews are just like firefighters in the city, but with special training for aircraft incidents.
It feels good to know that you're able to help somebody when they're having the worst day of their life.
Law enforcement officers and security specialists work closely with airport operations and constantly monitor the airport to ensure that everyone stays safe. Look around at any airport and you'll probably see a construction project. Airport project managers, planners, and various consulting firms design and manage complex and interesting projects. Larger projects can last several years and cost more than $1 billion.
So we pay attention to a lot of things like ozone and carbon emissions and safety to make sure that the next generation can still fly.
Whether you work right at the airport, in the control tower, or support ongoing projects and airport needs as a consultant, you are critical to the success of the airport every day. Have you thought about a career in aviation? Careers at airlines and airports are fast-paced, pay well, and are open to everyone. Airlines and airports support over 20 million jobs in the United States alone.
And I can promise you one thing, if you're in aviation, it's going to be an exciting career.
To learn more about how many options you have with a career in aviation, contact your local airport or aviation school. Make the call right now and get started.